I hope you can hear me. So, yeah, so if you look at this one, like I posted in the morning. So, Yeah, hello everyone. So, the best move that came in the morning, like this one, so that was updated to you all here, as well as if you go and check out the time of this post, like I said, current update, and then like that was the time, like the post time was 10:29, and after that, like what happened. So, Sensex, like after that, like it had a like nice fall, and after that, like, so if you see, like right here, even in this upturn also, like some put writing were there. So I mean, if I just make the strength greater than equals to 1, so you will notice that, like, so here also some buying signal came in. So anyways, at the bottom also buying signal came in. If I make it like greater than equals to 1, but like let's make it greater than equals to 2, the strength of the buy and the sell signal. Even like if you're manually trading also, you can see like put writing is happening here and here as well. So yes, and again it took support there, and again like after that, like small sharks were present mostly, and again right now, as you can see, like the sell signal came in. It also came in Nifty there, and also we saw it came in Bank Nifty as well, and it fell. So right now in Bank Nifty, you can see like some put writing has happened. Sensex, yeah, Sensex also some put writing is coming into the action. Nifty still there is no put writing, but in Model 5 there is some call buying. Yeah, now put writers are coming into Nifty as well. Again, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Even Reliance also, I posted like when it was taking support here. So the green line came in, and immediately it was taking some support at that point. So then also like I posted. So as I said, like these support levels and resistance levels are very important, like because they mark some heavy cash support, or say, I mean, buying or selling. So it's just not like any other support or resistance or something. So these are dynamic support and resistance, and so you get to see everything. Like suppose the strength is 7, so On a scale of 1 to 10, the strength is 7. And so why, like, you can go and check it out, like the call writing amount was 34 cr. Okay, so also the strength is a little bit relative, because it what happens is that like according to whatever has happened recently, okay, so on the HFT Algo Scanner, so with respect to that, the strength is calculated. So that's why it's relative. And again, yesterday also we saw the heavy put writing at the bottom there, like just before the market took off in the morning. So there also, like, the strength was, I think, 8 or 9. So now also, like in Sensex, you can see the strength of this put writers is 2. In Nifty it's 4. In Bank Nifty it's 3. Bank Nifty has kind of started taking support, but so today it's mostly like Sensex expiry. So The support is also coming from cash in like in Nifty. So as you can see here as well, like the green line just came up. So these support and resistance lines are also being drawn. So now you basically have a, I mean, totally complete setup just in trading view itself. So now you can see like it's taking support and going up. Okay, so put riding happened and it's taking support. Yeah, I'm not saying that like the main problem is that we don't know how much it will go or something. So again, if it's turning against us, so we have to be careful and exit properly. So that is the thing, because you don't know like those big institutions, they have entered into put writing and at what profit they are going to exit. So it's very difficult to say. So always like try to trail the SL or some try to trail the profits or whatever like your strategies would be like to save your profits. Yeah, so there are some safer, very safe strategies like ratios and something. So for that you can, even if it slightly goes against you also, you can wait. But apart from that, like if you are totally like naked selling or something, doing at the money naked selling or something, so then you have to be careful. Bank Nifty also, like if you see here, it went up, so took support there, but Sensex also started taking support, but Nifty and Sensex, so that support line also got taken down. Oh, I have to change the ATM as well. So basically, I'm using a deep in the money. So let me change it to like 200. 200 is already there. So let's change it to 100. So this is with respect to 82 100, and this is with respect to 82 200. So let's also spot the signals coming from. Okay, so basically with respect to 82 100, there is no buy sell signal. So it's all coming from 82 200. So yes, we are near about 82 200. So we should follow the ATM. So always try to be as close to ATM. Like yeah, Bank Nifty again, we have a support line there, and also we got a put writing there. So that is also kind of confirmation. Yeah, good afternoon, Amit ji. So it's almost near about 3 p.m. So again, like guys, at least for the morning post or or else like when we came live also like for this selling like it came down. So please don't forget to put a like. Like this one was posted on X and I mean after that you can very well see like how the puts went up. So actually like I also captured that move and then I closed my trading terminal. So thought about not trading any more because Jane streets are there. So any accident can happen on expiry days. But so yes, the put riders came in and yeah, it's taking support there. The first thing I do is like button set. So you can very well see how nicely like Bank Nifty took support there. Even like after those call put riders, Nifty is also trying. Sensex is also trying. Even also like you can now very well see that like for this move also like the cash market is also supporting. So that's why I'm saying like now we have a solid setup like on trading view. So we just have to look at trading view and nowhere else. So there is another indicator which is the money flow. So many people actually like miss that out. So but for that like now you have the cash market sentiment also to help you on trading view. So Nifty money flow is almost neutral, and let's look at Bank Nifty also. Slightly negative but neutral. Bank Nifty is like scores are reviving. Like the scores from negative 46, it's coming up. So yeah, in Sensex we don't have volume, so that's why I can't put this cash market sentiment indicator. But apart from that, like yeah, hi Ronak. Yes, after so many days. Thanks for coming up. So are you trading these days or too busy with the class schedule? Yes, so basically there will be some kind of pressure without it, like especially like during the trading hours you have classes. I mean, even the IAMC teachers also, faculties also, like they trade. So I was discussing with one of my colleagues. So talking about IIMC, so they said like even the teachers there also like they trade, and yes, so also when you get time, like look at that Bloomberg terminal, so and see how it can like be beneficial. Right. Yeah, so 8 minutes to 3 p.m. So will there be any 3 p.m. move? Let's see what the smart money does. Like these days, 3 p.m. is like has gone boring. So No, I don't trade Hero Zero. I have already said that in the past as well. So maybe we can sell 2 to 3 rupees of options, just eat 2 to 3 rupees of premium, so that we can do, but I don't usually go with Hero Zero. So basically I went with the one that I posted in the morning, and on X as well, like I posted this. And so as I always say, like, wait for the charts to bend. So what I mean is that, like, even if you see my post on X in the morning, so first of all, like, the confirmation was also there from Nifty and Bank Nifty at that moment. Like the same thing happened in Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty. So the charts have like started bending. Okay, so there were three consecutive red candles or something. So wait for the confirmation always. Okay, so it's not like big institutions have sold, and that's why, like, I would straight away jump into the with them. So it's not a good idea. Okay, so they also make losses. So as you, like, know, the best example, like 6 months ago we knew, like, in the Sindh Bank, they had 1000 cr of loss in their derivative segment. So if the loss is 1000 cr, so think how much capital they are using in the derivatives segment to trade. Okay, so they might be using like at least 10,000 cr, so that the loss is like 10%, which is 1000 cr. So at least 10,000 cr. So now think that, like, they are trading with 10,000 cr, and even after that also they are making mistakes. Okay, so that's why it's not like big institutions have sold and so it's fine. Like, it's I'll straight away jump it with them. So wait for the confirmation. So it's better to wait for the confirmation. Like here also, finally you see it's taking support and it's going up. Like we saw put writing has been done, and nicely, but temporarily it went and like, I mean, see that, like, it tried to hit the stop loss and then again went up. Okay, so like that was the one, like, which was the best thing. Like even in bank Nifty also, if you see at that moment there was this sign. Even in Nifty also, at that moment there was like all three the same sign. So it was a very very good. Uh, that was like one of the best confirmation. And also, like, as I have already shown you, like how this cash market sentiment indicator can help you. Like most of the times, you would say that if market is going up, that is also going up. But as I already told you, even yesterday also, like, notice this kind of divergences thing. Like Nifty is going up, but it's still not coming into the positive zone. So that means, like, up move is not cash market supported. So that those things you can know. But in Bank Nifty, it's this up move was cash market supported. Okay, so like it was volume supported, or some big guys have bought here. So smart money have bought in the cash. But here, if you see Nifty, it went up, but it's still like in the negative zone. So this is some of the ways, like, you can utilize this cash market sentiment indicator as well. Okay, guys. So 3 minutes to 3 p.m. Yes. See you, Ronak. So. And also like we have the option that is like we have introduced several features. Like go and check out the latest last video that I posted yesterday to know, like suppose let's say that you want to only trade when heavy positions are formed. So heavy position means strength will be more, like, so let's say that we make the strength greater than or equals to 4. So then all the rest of the signals will vanish out, and we will get only the ones which are like where we have the strength which is greater than 4. Okay. And also you can put alerts, like I forgot to post it, say in that video that you can like make alerts whenever these buy and sell signals are appearing according to the strength that you have selected. So you can get alerts, like you can easily place alerts like this, add alert. Okay. And then if you come here, that is even if the support is forming or the resistance are forming, those alerts also you can get. You can initiate the buy signals from the option buyers. So but I don't recommend that. Signals from the option writers is one which we are using. So that those any signal like you want, you will be getting, like suppose if I have selected like the strength is greater than equals to 4. So whenever like these signals appear, it will alert me. Okay, so I know that some big uh, I mean someone has made some big positions. Like you can very well see, like here this was a big position, here also this was a big position. Okay, so that is the thing, but again you might miss out like this kind of selling that happened there. So so that's like the thing, like sometimes you might also miss out, like so let's make it greater than equals to 3. Then let's see that whether we are getting, so now we are getting that as well. So you can, so as per your choice you can get, but again like you can go to here, that is the set. And yes, the alerts are like it should support your trading view account should support the alerts. Okay, so add alerts, and all these alerts you can place. And suppose if you are, let's say, bearish over the market, so you want only the alerts from the sell side, so you can only select the sell signals from the big call writers, or you want the buy signals from the big put writers, so you can also do that. Okay, so all these are done. And also like suppose if you want that I want to get signal when, let's say, more than 100 cr of put writing or more than 100 cr of call writing has happened in Nifty, or whichever index you're going, like, so then you have to come here, you have to click crossing, and then you have to like select here, that is the call buying, call put writing, put buying, call writing. So you have to select call writing or put writing, so whichever like you want. And then again once per bar close, always make it once per bar close. Okay, and then you can create the alert. Okay, so these are the things you can do. So let's again change the setting. Yeah, so 3 p.m. now you see like here right at 3:01 like put writing happened. But in Bank Nifty and Nifty selling call writers are coming. So as even in Nifty also, as I like just now told you that cash market is not supporting this up move. So now you saw like again it came down. So this is how it's leading. Okay, so don't think like this that market is going up, it's also going up, market is going down, it's also going down. So it's not like that. So this is how it's leading. Okay. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty selling is happening. From the 2080 to 100 ATM, we did not get any major signal. So, worked like a charm with three trades, Nifty C in the morning for scalp, then Infi puts. Yes, Infi it worked really nice. Like I also made a video and posted it. So actually, not me. Uh, so there is some guy who is like helping me out. So little. Like I have to. I have been so busy. So I needed an assistant. So had to keep assistant. So like he said me like he told me that Infeed worked really nice. Yeah, thanks, Kadosh. So like as I said, like 3 p.m.s these days are boring. So even you can see the cash market also someone is selling there in Bank Nifty. In Nifty as we saw, like this move was also not supported like from the cash market. Right now there was some call buying from on model 5. Also put writers are coming in. So yeah, Sensex also put writers are coming in and see it's going up. So sometimes like this model 5 is like I mean they rarely appear but they are very like strong. They give some strong signals. So if you have any doubt about its leadingness, so you can go and check out the past videos as well. Like there has been several live streams done in the past. Now further put writers are coming in. Okay, so here as well. So this is the put writing amount is 32 CR. This is 25.8, so which is 26 CR. So 58 CR of put writing has happened here. This is 39.8. And nicely going up. So this is kind of a confirmation as well. Like the same thing happened in Nifty as well as in Sensex, and I'm observing your indicators since last 20 days and it's really promising. अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं ऐसा लग रहा है. So it's kind of like the thing is that जो है तो वो है. मतलब I every day you will see that every day at least like it's not possible for to post like full performance of every stock and every index, but you will see every day I post the at least Nifty. Either I make video, or if I don't get time for making video, I'll post it on X of the full performance. So I actually like the main thing is that I don't hide anything. जो हुआ है तो हुआ है, जो मतलब काम नहीं किया तो नहीं किया, ठीक है. So because this is stock market and everything has a probability of working and not working, so but you have to see that out of 10 times is it working like 7 times or maybe 8 times. Sometimes it works 100%, like 10 out of 10 times on certain days, okay. So that is also the thing, like you have to check whether it's giving you a good accuracy or not. The main thing is that if you tell people like I'm tracking the big institutions in real time, so the very first thing people say that no, this cannot happen and this guy is a fake. So that is the main problem I'm facing, like like in going forward. So maybe some like the thing is that I mean this is a probabilistic model, okay. So this is a probabilistic approach. So yes, there is no definite approach, like we cannot definitely say that these are FIIs, this is the position they have definitely made. So the thing is that it's a probabilistic approach of tracking the big institutions in real time, okay. So I'm not saying I'm getting some exact data from some real some big institutions like Jane Street or something. So that is obviously not possible. Okay, but we can have a probabilistic model. Okay, so it's not a deterministic model. I have already said that in the past as well. This is a probabilistic approach. Okay, so with a high probability, we can say that here put writing has happened from the big institutions, and also call buying has happened. Deep green is call buying, but the thing is that, as you know, like my rules says that this buying is mostly done for hedging purpose, so that's why I don't follow it. So call put writing has happened, okay. And also the amount is also like shown like 39.8 cr, 32.2 cr, 25.8 cr. So you can all see here. Even if you want to see it above the bars also, like this is there is an option, need levels above bars. So if you do that, you will see the amount is shown there itself in cr. So let's increase the make it, let's make it large. So it looks a little bit clumsy if we make it large. So I hope you can see the screen. So let's medium. Okay, so here you can even see like light green means put writing, so which is 30. So if you, yeah, so if you look closely, so this is 38.35 CR. Okay, so it's all written above the bar. So you get, if you want above the bars, so you have the option there as well. Okay, so but again, if you don't want to print it, so it's all up to you. But this is the thing, like, but the main problem is that like there is no better labeling like in trading view, uh, pine script. So the labeling features are very limited here. So I mean, they should have done some labeling, like if you hover over the bars, then the label will appear or something. But there is no such option. Like, yeah, sorry. Accuracy more on most days. A few days in year market just on steroids. Yes, so that's also like if market is on steroid, then the cash market sentiment will help you out. Okay, so that's why like I came up with this cash market sentiment. So yes, let's put out this label. So like these levels, even if you don't want, like you can ignore them, and like you can hover over the bars and it shows here itself. Like the numbers shows up here itself, but they are not like you have to read them. Yeah, like the according to the number of digits. Like this is 75.4 CR. Okay, so you once you get to know like how to read those, so you can easily read it from that status line itself. Now you would say in the status line also, can you not print it like in CR? No. So that is by default in PineScript, like you have to print the whole thing. You cannot like uh, you cannot like print in CR, but so I'll see. I'll check it out. Like if it's possible. I think I did not dive much deeper into it, but I'll see. I'll see what I can do. I think it can be possible to add CR in status line like we have in. Yes, yes. I think like it just struck in my mind. We might, it might be possible. So, like yes, as I was saying, like it clicked in my mind that might be possible. Like yeah, if it is possible, I'll do it there itself. So might be possible. So I'll check it out today. Except that all the yeah hi. Except that all the things I have like rectified. That is now you have the option to like even take out this table down. So both the tables you can like either keep it or not, and as well as like does put writing means selling puts? Yes, selling puts. For the buying puts, it's deep red, but which we don't follow. There are four colors. So deep green, deep red, light green, light red. Okay. So the deep ones are the buying. Like it's all written on the website. So if you just go and check out, these days X is giving a lot of problems. Yeah, so you can find my website here also in the description below. Also, you'll find the link to the website. So you have to go there, and about the indicator, you will see like I have clearly written that what are the these each of these colors: light red. So okay, call write. I mean, writing calls like call writing is light red, and all the colors. So and everything is given like all the stocks that you have. Okay, so there has been like more addition which I haven't still updated, and also like there like new indicators also have been posted, so which I did not get time to update here as well. So just check out this video, you will know what are the new things that have been added. Anyways, coming back to the main thing, that is like the the deep green is the call buying, the deep red is the put buying, the light green is the put writing, the light red is the call writing. Okay, so we only follow the light colors because big institutions they mostly write, and even as you can see like they did put writing and it went up, they did call writing here, it went down. But again you have the option also like to follow according to the buyers as well. So you have to click here, and like it will show with respect to the buyers the buy and the sell signals. But again I do not recommend it. Like if you want, it's all up to you. So what I mostly do, even I like only the light colors only I try to see it on my screen, and I disregard the deep colors as well. So okay, so that's the way like how I mostly go about. But again, if you want the deep colors on your chart, so you can have it. So even here also like someone did put writing. Bank Nifty, someone is like writing calls. Mostly writing calls if you see at this region. So again, please note that like if you are going for like let's say only the light colors, then this call buy and the put buy will look 0 0. Okay, so it's not actually like 0 0. So it's just because you have kept like you're not showing the deep color, so that's why it's 0 0. So again, like, I mean, today's day was like a good one. So like starting from there, we got sell and then again buy, and then like all these are real time, and it's not like after the move you're getting the signal. So at that moment you're getting. So yes, so like most of the days, like we have seen that the end of the day follows, like whatever happens at end of the day, so it usually follows the next day as well. But again, I would, for my part, I would say like if you say that what I prefer, so I mostly prefer like intraday. Okay, so tomorrow whatever happens, like see, it's not like our we went lucky today and we captured this reversal from exact top or exact bottom. Every day it's catching, every day it's catching reversals during intraday. You have these indices, you have stocks, you have a lot of things. Okay, so there is nothing to be worried about overnight. Like like why take overnight positions, and you have to worry about, you have to watch gift nifty all the times. So forget about overnight positions. Like every day it's catching reversals, and reversals means like almost from the top or bottom. Okay, so again, obviously, I mean, those who are new here, it would be very hard to digest that this can also happen, that an indicator can catch reversals from almost top or bottom. But again, you like you have all these past live streams which you can go and check out. You can also check out my post on X as well. uh, Even today's, yesterday's, so many posts are there, and also the live streams are also there on YouTube. So go to the live stream section and you will find out the past several live streams that were done on monthly expiry days, expiry Sensex, Nifty expiry days, non-expiry days as well. So the thing is that like every day you get opportunities, so that is the main point. Like every day you get opportunities, but still if you want to take overnight, like yeah, it's fine. Like all you can see is like in Sensex you have to ignore, because this is like it ends today. Okay, and market is already closed, but the not sorry, not already closed, like it's going to be closed in 2 more minutes. But yeah, the thing is that we should ignore Sensex, because their put writing has happened, it went up and put writers got exit today itself. Okay, so we should ignore. Well, mostly bank nifty I can see call writing is happening, even in nifty also at the end here call writing is happening. Okay, and also this is the last 30 minutes in sorry, so the last 30 candles I'm watching here. So this is the last 30 minutes activity here. So put writing amount is 33 CR, but call writing amount is 70 CR. So call writing is a little bit more in bank nifty. Last, let's make it last, it's last 120 candles. Trading view is also giving problem. Yeah, so let's make it last 30 candles and let's see. So I'm on 1 minute time frame. So last 30 candles means the last 30 minutes. Okay, so the last 30 minutes call writing is 13.72 CR, but put writing is just 3.51 CR. And bank nifty, like today, this was the one. Like the strength was also 7, so it was a good strength, and the sell like came in. That was a nice one, and it was a clean move, like very clean move. Like not even like in between, some put riders also came in and uh, gave confusion or something. It was a clean move. And not only like indices, you have it for stocks and everything. So all these stocks and FNO stocks we have added. So guys, market ends here. I hope you enjoyed the live stream, and so I hope the HFT indicator helped you in some way or the other. So if so, please don't forget to put a like. At least like in Sensex, you saw put writing happening and it went up. So that too on expiry day. So and also like while we were live, this sell also happened and it went down. And yeah, so anyways, if it helped you in any way, so please don't forget to put a like. Just a suggestion, we have to write the market. Can you code in such a way that it will auto take current market price? So that is the main point. Like I would have done it if it was possible, but I'll still look into it. But what happens is that everyone will think that why do we even have to put the current market price? Like all you have to do now is just put the main setting, the current market price. You can, if you want to go manual, then only these you have to select manual and then you have to go this. But for now you just have to enter the whichever chart is open, you have to just uh, enter the current market price. Okay, so and it will all come out here. It will show you what it's tracking, what is the strike price, what expiry date and everything. So and the main thing is that whenever like it might be like very easy to think that yes, we can easily pull the current market price, but the thing is that what happens is that like from the coding point of view, what is happening is that on trading view, when you try to fetch the close price, what it actually does is it it starts from way back, like not even today also, further back. It starts from there close price and it gradually comes and ends at the last candle. Okay, but it happens quickly, but in trading view the close price function operates like that. Now suppose when the script is starting, it will take the close price, but that close price will be way back. Okay, so that will give you a wrong strike price. So there is a solution, but yes, I'll try to implement it. And yeah, so that will be the one that is obviously I'll be looking to fully automate it. Like then you just have to change the chart and it will auto. You don't have to change nothing in the setting, like the cash market or the scanner. You don't have to change anything. You have to just change the chart and it works on any chart. Like it simply changes according to the chart. So yeah, that surely we'll be looking forward. But for now we have like now almost semi automated. Like you just have to enter the current market price, or even if you, let's say, all you exactly the current market price also you don't have to enter. Like suppose the current market price, according to it, whatever ATM is coming, I don't want that ATM. I want something like my own choice of ATM. So I can just simply put that ATM as well in that current market price, and it will take basically that ATM. Okay, and one more thing is that like these expiries, please remember that once Nifty expiry, so today Sensex expiry is over. Okay, so that means from tomorrow onwards, if you have to load Sensex, like just don't forget to change this expiry. Okay, and that's it. Now you are again set for one more week on Sensex. You don't have to change anything in the expiry. So that is the thing. Like please do remember that. And so Sensex and Nifty, you have to weekly change the expiry once, and for BankX and others once a month. BankX people don't use it, but I have kept it anyways. And others, like you have to change it for all the others, FNO stocks, Bank Nifty, everything. So you have to change it once a month. Okay guys, so I hope like I was of help in any ways. So yeah, thanks for coming up and thanks for watching, and again see you in the next one. Guys, have a nice day. Bye.